Hello friends. Today I will share with you Top 5 Best LED Grow Lights for Indoor Plants in 2024. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
Newest Full Spectrum LED Growing Lights. Enhance your greenhouse plants with the latest Full Spectrum LED Growing Lights. Available in sets of 1/2/4/6 pieces, these lights are designed for soilless cultivation and provide optimal light for veg, flowers, and more. Ideal for greenhouses, they ensure even light distribution, promoting healthier growth and bloom. The advantages of this grow light are full spectrum lighting for all plant growth stages. Energy efficient and long-lasting. The disadvantages of this grow light are limited to indoor use.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
85W Full Spectrum Plant Growth Lamp. This 85W LED grow light is equipped with Samsung LM281B diodes, providing full spectrum light suitable for indoor greenhouse hydroponics. Perfect for plant growth, flowering, and seeding, it ensures vigorous development and maximized photosynthesis efficiency. The advantages of this grow light are high-quality Samsung LEDs for efficient growth. Full spectrum mimics natural sunlight. Suitable for hydroponic setups. The disadvantages of this grow light are higher initial cost.
At number 3.
Ultra-thin Full Spectrum LED Grow Lamp. The 65/85/120W ultra-thin Full Spectrum LED Grow Light is a versatile and dimmable option for greenhouse plants. Constructed with aluminum for efficient heat dissipation, it promotes plant growth with uniform lighting. It's perfect for small to medium-sized grow operations. The advantages of this grow light are dimmable feature for customized light intensity. Ultra-thin design saves space. Effective heat dissipation. The disadvantages of this grow light are limited coverage area.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
Samsung LM301H EVO V5 LED Grow Light Bar Kit. Available in various power options, 240W to 1000W, this LED Grow Light Bar Kit offers full spectrum lighting for complete plant growth cycles. Equipped with the latest Samsung LM301H EVO V5 technology, it ensures optimal light efficiency and coverage for grow tents. The advantages of this grow light are high efficiency with Samsung LED technology. Wide power range to suit different setups. The disadvantages of this grow light are high upfront cost.
At number 1.
10-inch LED ring grow light for indoor plants. This USB-powered 10-inch LED ring grow light provides full spectrum lighting, ideal for indoor plants. It features a height-adjustable stand and offers a convenient way to promote healthy plant growth indoors, suitable for small spaces. The advantages of this grow light are compact and adjustable height for flexibility. USB-powered for convenience. Full spectrum light promotes indoor plant health. The disadvantages of this grow light are limited light coverage. Not suitable for large plant setups.